What's going on, guys? Welcome to another adventure. Me and Ty are going to Minden Off-Road Park again. Check out this setup this time. That's right, boys. We got the Kingquad instead of the Maverick Sport. Let's get into some four-wheeler. The skies are looking a little gray, but we're almost there. Fucking Ty's taking forever. Hurry the fuck up! Let's go!
It'll be Wednesday, August 23rd.
Are you ready yet, Uncle Princess?
Princess?
Uncle Snowflake? You like Snowflake better, don't you?
Snowflake.
Snowflake! What's going on, guys? We're here, another ride in Minden. Got the Kingquad. Haven't rode quad in a while. It's been 2 years. See how we do. Oh, the arm pump is real. Certain shit. We go from the side by side, then you get the four-wheeler. Oh, it's fucking water through here. Dying already. Forgot how physical four-wheeling actually was. Where the fuck are we going here? Where the fuck does the trail go? I can't remember. There it goes. Suzuki's blowing it. I think they're coming to that straight down rock here. It doesn't look as scary anymore. It used to be super scary. This is like nothing now. Fucking, I don't know if it's because I've just been desensitized by the fucking side-by-side or... Oh yeah, you miss that, don't you, girl? We got Walt. Oh man, it's been a while since I've been rode a four-wheeler. Oh, here's this fucking place. This is, oh, they smoothed it out. Nice. That's awesome. You can go down there now. That's sweet. Yeah, the Kingquad's definitely not making it up that. Oh, nice. What is this? Let's tie in. Oh, fuck, almost driving into a tree.
I don't think I drove this thing ever that long without an engine light being on.
Shh, don't say nothing. Oh, here comes fucking crazy man. And we're taking a break. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, let's go. Oh. Oh, jumped it. Oh yeah, look at this fucking shit. This is awesome. Fucking water, raining, fucking pissing out. Oh, it's not that bad at all. you put your phone?
I only saw you
Right there.
Like when you said that, I'm thinking, fuck, I didn't have just my wallet together. And when you were telling me, I'm thinking there's something else missing. My phone, right there. Thank God.
My way through this way, I think.
Yeah, it's all shallow through there. It's just that, don't go that way. Because that way's deep.
Yeah, I bet. Do you remember?
Yeah, I know, yeah. I usually go through it on the side-by-side, but I'm kind of thinking against it with the tires.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll just take it easy today.
Yeah,
That was fucking sick. That's what I miss about four-wheelers. Doing the wheelies. Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah, we're going through this for sure. All right, Suzuki. Tread on the tires, still make it through. What's Ty doing? Oh, he's going around. Oh, fuck. Oh, I stopped fast there. Oh yeah, here we go. I like this one. Might go on, go around. Look at Walt go. Oh, here comes Ty. Oh, he's making that Can-Am work. Oh, no problems. We're rolling. Here comes Kevin. Whoa! Moose tracker. You got problems. Oh, the axle nuts are loose. See if we can fix her when we get her back. Straight through it, man. That's a widowmaker right there. I'd go that way, maybe.
goose tracker. I'm going this way. I know there's a big rock right here. Oh, way up the Kingquad stuck. Taking us down some spicy shit. Oh fuck. Took us down some spicy shit. Wall right into the fucking curb. Oh, down the hill we go. This huge slalom downhill. All you can hear is fucking Ty's car, fucking quad rumbling. Hey, Walt! This way, buddy! Walt was gonna call Gabriel. That's a fucking super hard trail.
That's just doing a dirt bike, come on.